Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your AI knowledge with AI course detailed guide step by step clearly. Understanding the fundamentals of artificial intelligence is essential in today's tech-driven world. Start by identifying your current knowledge level in AI. Determine whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner. Next, research various online platforms that offer AI courses. Some popular options include Coursera, edX, Udacity, and LinkedIn Learning. Read reviews and ratings to gauge the quality of the courses offered. Look for courses that align with your learning goals. For example, if you are interested in machine learning, choose a course focused on that topic. Check the course syllabus to ensure it covers the material you want to learn. Consider whether the course is self-paced or instructor-led. Self-paced courses allow for flexibility, while instructor-led courses offer direct support. Once you select a course, set a dedicated study schedule. Allocate specific time each week to focus on the course content. Minimize distractions during your study sessions to enhance focus. Engage actively with the course material. Take notes while watching lectures to reinforce your understanding. Participate in any discussion forums to clarify doubts and network with peers. If the course includes practical projects, make sure to complete them. Hands-on experience is crucial to grasping AI concepts effectively. Explore additional resources to supplement your learning. Books, podcasts, and research papers can provide deeper insights into AI topics. Consider joining AI-related online communities or forums. Platforms like Reddit and Stack Overflow can be valuable for connecting with other AI enthusiasts. Embrace continuous learning by staying updated on the latest AI trends and technologies. Follow influential AI researchers and organizations on social media. Attend webinars and conferences to expand your knowledge further. After completing your course, seek opportunities to apply your skills. Look for internships, freelance projects, or volunteer work in AI. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.